You ready to chase the water again? You're already soaking wet, but now you got him interested in chasing. All right, let's go. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it. Come on, get it. He was never interested in chasing water until she started it. Come on, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, Puff. Come on. Get it, get it. You caught it, didn't you? Now you don't know what to do. You gonna corn cob it? Oh, you're gonna jump on it. Oh, we got a new one. Ah. She says, give me some of that. Well, Mama's not going to be happy with wet dogs coming into the house. But we're having fun. Look at all the mud you guys are creating. Got to finish filling up the 55-gallon drum for the chickens because they go through a lot of it. And I wasted about that much playing Water World with him, her, and little one here. Thank you for liking and subscribing to Erie Shores Prepping. Have a fun day. Greg out.